Welcome to Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the heart of Assam, India. Kaziranga, the pride of Assam. Spread over in more than 1,300 square kilometers areas of the flood plains of the mighty Brahmaputra River and Karbi Hills. The mighty Brahmaputra River has gifted on Kaziranga rich alluvial grasslands, wetlands, marshes, swamps, and wet semi-evergreen forests that seem to burst with life. During the monsoon season every year, the river overflowing the banks and fill up low-lying areas of Kaziranga, flood has become an annual feature for Kaziranga. As soon as the park is submerged by the floodwater, the animals start migrating to the Karbi Anglong Hills on the south, also move to the nearby tea garden areas for shelter through the animal corridors, populated villages, and across the National Highway 715. Several man-made highlands inside the park support wildlife to take shelter during this crucial time of flood. Heavy traffic on National Highway 715 is the biggest challenge for wildlife to cross it safely. Section 144, imposed around Kaziranga by the district administration of Gulahat and Nagaon on National Highway to control vehicles' speed limit. Forest Department is getting full support from the district administration. Police, transport, reduce the speed of the vehicles on the corridors of National Highway 715. Kaziranga Park Authority has set up animal safety barricades and automatic sensor-based vehicle speed regulatory system at 6 specified animal corridor sections on National Highway 715. All passenger vehicles, both private and commercial, are allowing to move at the regulated speed, strictly with escorted by police and forest staff in every half an hour of interval. Joint patrolling by commando action groups and forest teams is being conducted regularly to stop poaching. Additional staffs from neighboring divisions have been deployed to intensify patrolling. Joint patrolling in the fringe areas of the park is being carried out by forest and police departments. Kaziranga National Park has a well-equipped and well-set-up of rescue and rehabilitation center. Wildlife Trust of India and Assam Forest Department jointly working on rescue operations during flood. Park Authority provided essential items, foods and medicine to the camp staff inside the park with the support of NDRF and SDRF. Kaziranga National Park using infrared sensor drone to ensure safety of wild animals in the night, similarly monitoring wildlife movements in the animal corridors during the flood. As floodwaters recede, Park Authority remove water hyacinth that chokes our water bodies. The guards are the ultimate guardians of Kaziranga, every guard with his pride in protecting Kaziranga's animals and great experiences in living alongside them, They have a cause, a pledge to protect the World Heritage Site. We acknowledge all staff of the National Park, including the domestic elephants, who have contributed towards the saga of the whole success. Acknowledgement is also to all the local people, village communities on the fringe, who have contributed immensely to the cause of conservation.